solve this algebraic fraction. So we know that we need to have a common denominator. Common denominator of 5 and 4 is going to be 20. So I need to get 3x minus 2 over 5 to be something over 20. And I need to get 2x plus 7 over 4 to be something over 20. So I'm going to times by 4 here, which is going to leave 4 times 3x minus 2. And I'm going to times by 5 here, which is going to be 5 times 2x plus 7 over 20. I've got two grid methods then. So the first grid method is 4 times 3x minus 2, which is 12x minus 8. And the next grid method is 5 times 2x plus 7, which is 10x plus 35. So let's put that all together. So I've got 12x minus 8 over 20 is equal to 10x plus 35 over 20. So if that's the case, then that means, because both the denominators are the same, then both the numerators are the same. So 12x minus 8 must be equal to 10x plus 35. Then I just need to do a balance method. So take away 10x from both sides. So I get 2x minus 8 is equal to 35. And then I'm going to add 8 to both sides, so it's 2x is equal to 43. And then to get x, I'm going to divide by 2, which is going to be 21.5.